Hi, Alan Stratton from Woodturning. For years I've been on a quest to incorporate threading into my projects. One type of threading is threaded wood faceplates such as these. I love these things, but that requires just a tap and some techniques to use. But threading an actual project so that a project itself can be threaded in two pieces or multiple pieces, that has been a long-standing quest. A while back I did a video where I could machine cut threads. That's good, except that when are you cutting threads? You're cutting them near the end of a project, and if you happen to mess up, whoops, it's bad news. But in this week's video, Frank Young from our club, who is a master woodturner, I respect his skills a lot. He has been a tutor and a mentor to me, and he is going to show us how he threads with hand chasing tools on segmented wood to create threads that then can be taken and put into another project. And there you have the threads. Big advantage, as I've explored turning hand chasing threads, is people typically use exotic, expensive tropical hardwoods, such as this one, which, wow, it's a very expensive piece for about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. What if, as Frank will show you, you could use a more domestic wood such as this cherry and turn perfectly good threads with it. Much less expensive, much easier on the rainforest. So let's turn it over to Frank. Frank, take it away.
Today I'm going to show for segmenters being able to do threads on different kinds of woods. I'm going to do the male threads on maple, and I'm going to do the female threads on poplar. You can see how they're segmented. That way I can cut with the grain of the wood and not do any cross grain cutting. That way basically you can segment, put threads on any type of segmented piece. And you'll see it takes about 6 seconds to pass a 1/2 inch at 300 RPM. The first thing we do is prepare the back end here. That gives relief. Then this front edge I need a bevel. the first thing we do is prepare this for turning. I'm going to relieve the back. And I'm going to put a bevel on the front edge and put a bevel on the front and on the back. Now I'll slow it down to turning speed. I'm going to be turning this one at 150. I normally turn at 300. That's where I determine the speed of movement from my tool. And now I'll be able to move at that same speed, but this will be going half the speed, so it'll be putting in double threads. It's getting close. We're going to try it now. Catches, but it's got to go a little bit more. A little bit. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up the female threads. These are pristine. They look beautiful. The poplar threads can use a little bit of cleanup. Super clean.
Thank you, Frank, for showing us how to put threads into a segmented piece that then can be incorporated into an overall project, whether it be solid or segmented or whatever, and to stay away from the exotic tropicals into more sustainable domestic woods with perfectly good threads. As you know, I make a wood turning video every week. I appreciate your comments, and with the hand chasing threads, submit your suggestions too. I'll take them and see what we can put together as a follow-up video. Frank has volunteered for more videos. Let's give him a topic and we can bring him on as a guest again. So, until next week, with another wood turning video, I'm Alan Stratton.